Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Bob Marley and the Wailers' Exodus makes Apple Music's list of 100 best albums. The legacy of the band continues to live on as the 1977 project makes its way onto the list of the 100 best albums by the streaming platform. The album comes in at number 46, between Homogenic by Bjork at number 45 and Drake's Take Care at 47. Exodus is the only reggae or dancehall project on the list. In 1999, Time magazine dubbed the project the best album of the 20th century, describing it as a political and cultural nexus. It peaked at number 20 on the Billboard 200, on its way to attaining gold certification by the Recording Industry Association of America. Now, in recognition of its timeless standing, as well as its impact on raising Bob Marley's profile as an international icon, Exodus was inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame in 2006. The countdown, currently at number 11, is part of a gradual unveiling by Apple Music that began last week. Now, Sean Paul joins the call for Jamaica to remove the British monarch as head of state. Speaking recently on Good Morning Britain, the Grammy-winning artist stated that the country should now part ways with the monarchy and become a republic.
Every child got to grow up and be independent. And I think that countries can be perceived in that same way. We need to prove ourselves to be us, you know. So salute to the great UK. And I'm not saying so long. I'm just saying, you know, give us our chance to stand up and make you proud.
In June 2022, the government revealed its intent to become a republic by 2025. Now, in March of that same year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness informed Prince William and Princess Kate of that pending decision during their Caribbean tour sanctioned by the Queen. That process has been met with roadblocks, with the most recent being the leader of the opposition, Mark Golding, lamenting that there is a lack of intent on the part of the government to seek consensus on critical issues in the proposed reform of the Jamaican constitution. Now, American rapper Kendrick Lamar's All Right topped Spotify's greatest hip-hop songs of all time in the streaming era. The streaming platform Monday released a song list containing 100 tracks that dominated the streaming era, with Lamar's 2015 record All Right coming in at number 1. The platform described the track as a bit of a rap anomaly, a social commentary that doubles as a club banger, adding that the rapper weaves introspection into two streams of conscious verses over perhaps the jazziest trap beat ever made. The track elevated into a modern-day civil rights anthem with lines like "A killer dead in the streets for show," as the artist echoed his community's sentiments on police brutality. The song became a staple during protests like the Black Lives Matter movement and grew in influence half a decade before artists released an influx of protest songs in the wake of George Floyd's death and the civil unrest of 2020. The track amassed over 600 million streams on Spotify. Other songs to make Spotify's greatest hip-hop songs of the streaming era are Bodak Yellow by Cardi B, God's Plan by Drake, and EXO Tour Life by Lil Uzi Vert. The platform defines the streaming era as a time frame that spans from 2015 until present day. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.